All right, so let's get this started. For starters, you're gonna want to brush your hair up into a high ponytail. Use as many rubber bands as you need to give it that nice tight feeling. I used about 3 to 4. Next, you're going to take the ponytail, brush it out if you need to, and look for the clip. Once you find that clip, there's 2 clips, go ahead and stick it in, and then take that drawstring and tie it tight around. Now, what you will see is I am actually taking out my bun. The reason being is because you're gonna wanna put your bun more to the side. I made the mistake and did it straight up in the middle. But as you can see, I redid it and now I'm putting my bun more to the side. So go ahead, twist your ponytail, and then you're going to tie it up into a small bun. Make sure that bun is secure so when you do put your drawstring on, it doesn't come unraveled underneath the drawstring. So now that you have your bun, you're going to take your drawstring, look for the 2 clips, and then you're going to clip it in. Once you have it clipped in, you are going to tighten it to your liking. You may only want to put the drawstring around once, or you may want to put it around twice. If you do wrap it around twice, I will warn you, it will make it a lot tighter. So depending how tight you want that drawstring to be on your head will determine the number of times you wrap it around. Also, you're going to want to make sure to secure it tight with a bobby pin. And I recommend putting it underneath the ponytail so you don't see the drawstring. And that's pretty much it. You have your drawstring ponytail on. And I would just kind of fluff it up and use your hands to kind of twist the curls to make sure that they're in nice and neat. You may have to go back and do this a couple of times. Maybe look at it from a back mirror just to make sure that it's nice and neat. Oh yeah, and before I forget, don't forget the edge control. Clean up your edges, lay them down, do what you gotta do. And what I did was used a paper towel afterward because it was kind of shiny and I did not want to walk around looking all greasy. So I just took a paper towel afterward, wiped it down. As you can see, I don't have much, so I'm just using my fingers. Sometimes I'll use a comb or a brush, but in this case, I was in a rush, so I used my fingertips, wiped it down with a paper towel, and I was done. So however you like to lay your edges, lay them down, boo.